Hello, everyone. This is the role play section of our common phrase, beat around the bush. So we have a student named Mia and her friend Lena today. Mia says, "Hey, Lena, I was wondering if, uh, maybe you're free this weekend?" Lena says, "I might be. Why? What's up?" Mia says, "Well, I was thinking, you know how we talked about movies and stuff?" Lena's laughing. "Mia, stop beating around the bush. Just say it." Mia says, "Oh, okay. Do you want to go see a movie with me on Saturday?" Lena says, "Yes, that sounds fun. See, that wasn't so hard." So I'm sure you guys have had this experience where you are talking to someone and they just will not say what they want to say. So now you can say, "Stop beating around the bush. Just say what you're going to say." Give it a try. I hope you guys like this role play section of Common Phrase of the Day. Put your likes in on our channel. Subscribe. Give us a comment. Thank you, guys. See you later.